Okay, so what I want to do is have a look at this question from the James Ruse Ag High School trial in 2020. We've got a tank with saltwater solution with 20 kilograms of salt dissolved in 10 litres of water. And fresh water is being poured into the tank at a rate of 3 litres per minute, as it says here. And we've got solution coming out at 2 litres per minute. But that's a salty solution, and the saltiness, well, keeps changing because there's fresh water pouring in the top. There's more water coming in and then there is going out, and we can see that there's a net difference of 1 litre per minute. So I'm just going to point out that there was initially 20 kilograms in here, and they're telling me this was initially 10 litres. So I'm going to let Q be the amount of salt because that's what it tells me to do in the question at time t. And I've got to show that it satisfies that equation. So I'm going to say that the rate at which the amount of salt is changing, dq dt, is the salt in minus the salt out. Right? The rate at which the salt goes in is the rate at which the salt goes out. So there's no salt going in, minus. Now the rate at which the salt is going out, well, that's interesting because we've got 2 litres per minute of, now there's Q kilograms per, now the concentration is there's Q kilograms in, well, there's 10 litres at the start, but I'll just remove that litre sign there. There's 10 litres at the start, so that's why I've got 10 here. But we have 3 litres going in per minute and 2 litres going out per minute, right? So each minute there's 1 more litre going in, so that says 1 lot of T there basically. 10 plus 1 lot of T. Let me fix that up. Let me make that look a bit tidier. That would just be 10 plus T on the bottom there. So that's how many litres there are in volume in the tank at any particular time, and Q is the amount of salt. So we can cross out these litres here, and we end up with minus 2Q on 10 plus T, and we've got kilograms per minute. And that's the first part of the question answered. dq is minus 2Q on 10 plus T. Solve the differential equation given in part 1 to find the amount of salt in the tank after 5 minutes. So let's solve it to find the equation for the amount of salt after any number of minutes, and then we'll put 5 in to get it for 5 minutes. So using our differential equation techniques, I'm going to go dq on minus 2q equals dt on 10 plus t. So that's just separated the variables. So I'm going to want to integrate both sides. So this one here is minus a half natural log of q, and this one here is just natural log of 10 plus t. Plus c, of course. Now when t equals 0, Q is 20 kilograms. There's 20 kegs in there at the start. So minus a half natural log of 20 equals natural log of 10 plus C. So If I move that up there, that's actually natural log of 20 to the minus a half. So that's 1 on root 20. That's 20 to the power of minus a half. Minus natural log of, I keep doing that, I keep writing O, but it's natural log of 10 equals C. So C equals natural log of 1 on 10 root 20. Because if you've got natural log minus natural log, we divide, so it's 1 on root 20 divided by 10. All right, so my equation turns out to be that minus a half natural log of Q equals natural log of 10 plus T plus C, which is plus natural log of 1 on 10 root 20. It's a bit hard to see. All right, so that's minus a half natural log of Q is equal to, now we can times these together, so natural log of 10 plus T all over 10 root 20. All right, we're going to times both sides by minus 2. So the natural log of Q equals minus 2 natural log of 10 plus T all over 10 root 20. And then I'll grab this guy and bring it up. Oops, sorry. And just give me red, thank you. Sorry about this. It's decided to play games. I'm going to bring that up to there and pop it outside there as a power. So the natural log of Q equals the natural log of, now because it's powered to minus 2, it's squaring it and flipping the fraction. So it's actually 10 root 20 is being squared on 10 plus T is being squared. So that means Q equals 100 times 20 on 10 plus T all squared. All right, now I'm going to find out what the amount of salt is in there after 5 minutes. And I've got to answer that in kilograms to 2 decimal places. So we go 2,000 divided by 15 squared. So Q after 5 minutes is equal to 2,000 on 15 squared, which equals 8 point. Now it wants it to 2 decimal places, so 8.89 kilograms. That's how much is in there.